Hey, what's up guys? It's Lam here again, your tech guide. Today we will be checking out the Ringke Fusion X Guard case for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Let's open this up and see what it looks like, and then we'll install it. Alright, so this is pretty much a full kit. It comes with a watch band, and of course the case itself is right here, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go grab my Watch 5 Pro. We'll install it and see what the overall looks like. Okay guys, so here's my Watch 5 Pro. I do have the inner bezel styling installed. So we're gonna even find out if this thing will actually work with it. So let's put it all together. All right, so there is your opening for your buttons. We must have to put that on first, align it, and just snap it on. Oh wow, that is quite simple to install, guys. And as you can see, we do have the inner bezel styling installed there, and it works very well. All right, so this is pretty much a complete protection for your Watch 5 Pro. I do have my tempered glass installed there as well, and there's just no way of having this phone damage when you're out and about doing some rugged activities or some sort of things that you might want to do. So let's put this on my wrist. I'm going to try this on first with the stock watch band and see what it looks like. And as you can see right there, it looks really nice, guys. So of course the watch itself made it a little bit bigger or thicker, and the watch band seems to not suit it very well. So we're going to try to install the one that came with it inside the box. Okay, very easy to install, guys. So there you go, guys. Now I've got the watch band installed, and the overall look looks complete now. It's just a great combination what you get inside the package. So let's put this on my wrist. So I just want to let you guys know I do have a skinny wrist, and there's just plenty of slots here for different sizes of wrists. So there she is. As you can see, it looks really good. You definitely will get the full protection that you are looking for. And I noticed something here. Hold on. So the buttons, they are protected as well. Let me see on the side here. I thought there was a flap here that you could open, but there's nothing. And the charger, of course, you got full accessible in the back there. You could charge it without removing all the accessory, the casing. And yeah, that's what it looks like. So if you guys are interested in this product, I'll put a link in the description below. And once again, guys, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one.